Hello students, welcome to our online class. This is the fourth class for your reflection chapter, and today in this video we will learn how images are formed in case of convex mirror. Okay, so this is the picture. I have taken 5 pictures here for image formation in case of convex mirror. You can see this is the object and the images are formed here. All the images are same. You can see it's almost same. Objects are placed different places. They are placed beyond 2f, they are placed between f and 2f. They are placed in this case it is in between f and p. Here it is at f and here it is also at c. So in all cases you can see images are formed, all look like same. There it's a virtual image diminished, a virtual image formed at behind the mirror. Okay, so we will learn how to draw it. Few drawings will explain this convex mirror. Drawing the images in case of convex mirror is easier than concave. You will learn it because in all cases you will see same kind of images are formed. Okay, let's jump into the let's start it the drawing. Let's start the drawing. Okay, so as always we will first draw the mirror, then we will draw the principal axis. Since we need the behind mirror, means we need the back of the mirror, all images form at the back of the mirror in case of convex, so we need the principal axis to be drawn like this, extended as much as possible behind also, just like in front. Okay, now we'll mark the points. Let's mark the point. Okay, so first is the pole, then the focus, then with the same length in the center of curvature. Behind the mirror we need tilt focus only. We need tilt focus because no image in case of convex mirror form beyond the focus. So we need only the focus behind the mirror. Now we will place the object. As always we will place the object. The first object we will place beyond C. Like this. Then as always the first incident ray must be parallel to principal axis falling on the mirror. Then second light we'll put it at P. Now we'll draw the arrows. Now the reflected ray will reflect away like this. Okay, this ray also will reflect, making a same angle like this. Now we keep the arrows. Now as we know that the lights are diverging away, so we get a virtual image. That means we have to draw the virtual lines behind the mirror. So I'm using the virtual line using red color here. Now this ray we know in case of convex mirror, you have to understand, in case of convex mirror any light parallel to principal axis will reflect away and it will be pointed towards the focus. That means it is reflecting away in this direction. It is reflecting away in this direction, but it is pointed towards this f. That means it will look like that this ray is actually coming from this f. That it will feel like if someone sees from here, if someone sees from this side, this light, if any observer is seeing this light, reflected light from here, then for that person it will look like that this light is actually coming from here. This person will feel it, but we know the light source is here. Anyway, so this diverging light will be pointed towards the focus. Okay, and this light also will be extended backward like this. Okay, so as we see that the virtual line, these two virtual lines that I have drawn, they are like meeting at a point. This is the meeting point, so we know this will be the image, or the image will be placed here. Right here I will draw the image with the red color only. Image is too small. Let me redraw that. Okay, done. So this is the image. My drawing is more or less little bit of faulty, you can say, but no problem, we can understand how it is happening. So this is the image. We can clearly see that the image is formed by the meeting point of the two virtual lines behind the mirror, and it is that's why it's a virtual image, and also it is upright. The object is standing up and the image is also standing up, so it's upright. So it's a virtual image, it's upright image, it is diminished, it is smaller in size, and the placement is always between P and F. Okay, so this is how the images will form in case of convex mirror when the object is placed beyond C. Now let's try another drawing. First we will draw the aperture, the mirror. Done. Then we will draw the principal axis. This is my principal axis here. Done. Next we need to mark the points. Pole, this is my focus, so this distance is here, let's say this is C. So similarly at the same distance from the pole, this is also the focus. Okay, so once again I'll place the object. Now the object I'll place it at C in this case. Done. Light parallel to principal axis. Second light at P. So now the incident rays, let me draw the reflected rays. Now the reflected ray will reflect away like this. This light will also reflect like this. So once again I will draw the virtual line. You understand that these are virtual lines we have to draw, this one and this one. So they are the virtual lines. Arrows master. Okay, we don't give any arrows for virtual lines. Okay, so we can see that the two virtual lines once again meeting here, and the placement is once again between P and F. So if I draw the image, this will be the image. To make it a little thinner. Okay, so once again the image is formed here. It's a virtual image, it's upright, it's diminished, it's placed between P and F. So this is how it will be drawn. So you can see that both the drawings are giving the image virtual and placement is almost same between P and F somewhat, and also diminished. Let's try the third one. I'll show you very quick drawings. These are all same drawings. I'm not marking the P and F, I'm just giving, okay, let me mark anyway because it's important to understand. Okay, this is P is the center, this point, this is my F, let's say this is C, so this same distance will be F here. Okay, so now once again the object, now in this case I'll place the object between C and F here. So now first light parallel to principal axis, falling on it, second light at P, here give the arrows. Now the reflection, first light reflected like this, second light will reflect like this, okay. So it's done. Now I will draw the virtual lines as always. Done. Now the image will be here. Oh, done. So this is the image. Once again, it is a virtual image, upright image, diminished image, and between P and F. These drawings are all same. All the 5 drawings in case of convex mirror will come almost same. The images never be beyond F, it will always be within F. Next, try the fourth one. This will be the last one. We will try this one as the last one. So in fourth case, I will place the object in this case. I'll place the object between P and F. So let me mark the P here and F here. Since I need the focal length only, so I'm not drawing any C, center of curvature I'm not drawing. Okay, so now I'll place the object between P and F. Let's take a big object. So first light as always parallel to principal axis, second light at P, okay. Now the arrows. Next is the reflected ray, it will reflect like this, this will reflect like this. Done. The arrows, done. Now I have to draw the virtual. Done. So the image will come right here. Done. So you can see this is once again an image. The object is placed between P and F. Still we are getting virtual image, upright image, diminished image, and placement is once again it is between P and F. So this is the story of convex mirror. In case of convex mirror, we always get images virtual and it is diminished. We never get a image which is bigger than size of the object. It is always virtual and it is upright. Since it always give us upright images, so most of the cases we use we use it for mirror, like the rear view mirror also we use it, and also the field of view for this mirror is bigger than the field of view of concave. There are many uses of this convex mirror. We will learn it later. Anyway, for now you can I think you have understood how the drawings are done for images in case of convex mirror. So that's it for this video. Thank you.